This one today is a little bit different because I'm showing off boxes and not keyboards. I promise I'll show you a keyboard in a second, but I just wanted to show 3 key sets that we loved developing for one of the most popular fighting games out today. It opened to rave release, and these are 3 key sets, each of a different design for some of the favorite characters in the game. You might have already peeked it with the logo at the top, but that is for Guilty Gear. And I wanted to show off the 3 boxes. The first one is for Zato 1. The boxes really do the keycaps justice in this case. There's Ino. And there's Mei. These are official Guilty Gear Strive keycaps developed for them a few years ago now. And here's a look at the Zato 1 keycap set. Really simple but striking design, on brand with the colors, and a great deal of character right there on the bottom row with the game branding. So if you're maining one of these 3 characters, some of these should still be in stock on the Guilty Gear store. Check them out in the link in the description. And let us know, what was your favorite box of the 3? And would you want to see one of your other mains here represented on a keycap set? Thanks everyone.